Once upon a time in a quiet town lived a 10-year-old boy named Milo who loved pressing buttons. One rainy afternoon, he found a strange remote control buried in the mud near an old oak tree. Naturally, he pressed it. The entire world froze. Then, click, the world resumed. Exactly 10 seconds later, Milo used the button sparingly for extra cookies, to dodge dodgeballs, to stop a bully's punch mid-swing. But one day, he paused the world and saw someone else moving.
You too?
She asked. Turns out there were others, kids across the world who had found similar remotes, but no one knew who made them or why. Each time he used the button, time didn't quite return to normal. Now Milo has a choice: give up the button forever or find out who created it before time itself breaks.
What if every time you paused the world, you lost 10 seconds of your own life? Milo didn't give up the remote. Instead, he and the girl, named Ren, found others like them.
We call ourselves glitchers, because that's what the world is doing now.
That's when they noticed the countdown. After every pause, a new number appeared. No one knew what it counted to, until a kid in Brazil reached 0. Then the glitches began. People freezing mid-sentence, clocks rewinding, echoes of moments repeating. And then, they saw it, a shadow, watching from between paused seconds.
That thing. It's not paused, it's hiding inside time.
The more they used the remotes, the faster time unraveled. They had to choose: destroy the remotes or find the one who released them. And then, one final message appeared on every remote screen. 6 pauses left, one final decision. Because when time runs out, what's left to save? During the next pause, something strange appeared in the sky, in the static, in the silence. Ren figured it out first. It wasn't just noise.
It was coordinates. They're leading us somewhere. Someone wants us to find them.
The coordinates led to a ghost town, one that didn't exist on any map. They saw themselves younger versions frozen in time, repeating the same 10 seconds on loop. Underground, beneath the Echo Town, they found it the origin chamber. And then, a voice. Not in their ears, in their heads.
You were never supposed to have the remotes, but now that you do, finish what we started.
One pause left, one moment to make it right. Sin and final click didn't pause time, it opened a loop. And there, in the loop, was himself, younger. Before the remote, before everything.
You don't need the button. You never did.
Sin remotes weren't tools. They were anchors, fragments of broken moments trying to remember themselves. Fixed to a fixed time, they had to give it back.
We thought we were pausing the world, but really, we were holding it back.
In time resumed. Not like before, not broken, just flowing again. And Milo never found another button after that. You can't pause life, but you can be present for it. Thank you so much for being part of this journey. Your time, attention, and imagination brought this story to life. If this story moved you, please like, comment, and follow. Because a new story is just around the corner. See you in the next world. The end of the boy who found a pause button for the world.